It's May the 30th, and we are here at St. Mary's Peak. We're just outside of Stevensville, Montana. This hike should be about 3.5 miles to the summit and 3.5 miles back, and we should be gaining about 2,500 feet in elevation gain. We are at 1 mile, and we are officially hitting the snow. So we're at the 2 mile mark, and Jenny and I are so stubborn that we still haven't put on our yak tracks. Summit of St. Mary's Peak, and so we are at about 9,300 feet, and it took us a couple hours to get up here. It was definitely slower going with all the snow, and now we got some rain. You can see some rain clouds coming behind us, so we're just kind of hanging out, enjoying the view, and then we're gonna hike on down.